All right, these are headsets from a 2017 Toyota Sequoia. I couldn't find a video on YouTube showing how to replace the ear pads, the foam on them, when they deteriorate. So I thought I would make a quick video showing everyone how to fix them. So over time, what you'll see is this, they start to fall off, and so you need to replace them. So what you'll do is you'll remove these, you'll just pull the foam off the top. I already have this one started, so I might as well finish it. So you can still see the foam around the corners here. That's fine, it doesn't really matter, but just get the foam off each ear pad on the top. This one's already coming off, so we'll just go ahead and finish it off. So the next step is to remove this clip. So what you'll need to do is take a flathead screwdriver like this, or if you have a tool for working on body panels, something thin, that side didn't work, or even just like a pick like this, and you're going to go in. Remember the orientation, which is that this square side, the rest of this is round, so the square side right here is going to go up against this side here. So just remember these points hit here, or one of these corners hit here, because that's the only corner like that. So what you'll do is you'll push in against this. There's actually a little tab in here, which I don't think I can get it in there to see, but you'll push that in and kind of lift up a little bit. That one didn't work so well, so we'll try this one. So if you push it in a little bit, kind of pry up, it'll pull up. You can do it again, and just kind of keep working it around. Those are the only two tabs. So this one, you see it's already started to come loose here. So we'll just keep going around to this side now, pushing that tab in. Eventually, as you work your way around, you'll get it out. So you have two different parts here. You set this back down, the orientation you had it. Go ahead and you can pull this foam off. As you can see, it doesn't actually, these clips don't go through the foam, they just sit on the outside edges. And there you go, there's your clip. You just need to remember that the foam, the replacement's going on this side, and this side is the part that clips in. These are the ones that I got off Amazon. These are the best fit that I've found so far. They have a bunch of varieties that you can buy. These were $9.99 each, which is a little on the expensive side. But what I liked about them is that they're actually like a leather, not just this thin foam piece like these. I tried to buy the ones that are like this, but and we get them to fit, but they were more angular, and I couldn't get them to fit right over the headset without having to cut them and modify them. It was not worth it because they're so thin and flimsy. But these ones being a little bit thicker, I figured I thought was that they will last a little bit longer. So taking your new ear pad, you take your clip, making sure that the clip side is facing up, and you're just tucking it in. And as you work your way around, getting the foam all the way around it, there's this little rubber piece here, I'll point out, right here. As long as that rubber, as you can see, sits in front of, or behind, I guess depending on how you're looking at it, this clip, you should be fine. It doesn't need to go any further than that. That's about right. And then you can either look for the piece, the corner that you need. That was right there that I pointed out earlier, sorry, right here. On this, or you can just feel for it. But you can also kind of see the indentation right here, how it's poking out there. So I know that's one corner, as you can see. So then I know my other one is either got to be here, which it is, or it would be on the next clip, which is here. But, so we're going to push this back, push that back, and that's how it should look. So you know those are your two corners. Go ahead and take those, and you're just going to line up the clip with its hole. You can see and just snap it in. You might have to do this a couple times and work your way around. It seems like when you get one side in, the other one pops out. Like this one just popped out again. Once you kind of get them in there, pull a little firm, just turn a little bit this way to make sure it doesn't move, and voila, way better earbud or headset than they came with. So this is your other one. This is one I've already done. I was just getting ready to replace the batteries in it, but way better. I will put in the description where I got the headsets from, or the replacement pads from. I don't know if you can see that, but that is what I got from Amazon. I don't know if that number will work, but I will put in the description where I got them so that you can order the same thing if you'd like.